Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Moomoo for beginners. Moomoo is a popular trading platform that allows users to buy and sell stocks, options, and other financial instruments. To get started, first download and install the Moomoo app on your mobile device or access it through the website. Once you have installed the app, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to provide identification documents to verify your identity and comply with regulatory requirements. After your account is set up, you will need to fund it by depositing money into your Moomoo account. You can do this by linking your bank account or using other payment methods such as wire transfer or online payment services. Now that your account is funded, you can start exploring the Moomoo platform. The dashboard provides an overview of your account balance, portfolio, and market data. You can also access various tools and features such as charts, news, and analysis to help you make informed investment decisions. To place a trade, click on the trade button and select the financial instrument you want to buy or sell. Enter the quantity and price, and then confirm your order. You can also set stop loss and take profit orders to limit your potential losses and lock in profits. Moomoo also offers a paper trading feature that allows you to practice trading with virtual money. This is a great way to get familiar with the platform and test your trading strategies without risking real money. In addition to trading, Moomoo also provides a community feature that allows you to connect with other investors and traders. You can share ideas, discuss market trends, and learn from others. As a beginner, it is essential to start with a solid understanding of the basics of trading and investing. Moomoo provides a range of educational resources, including tutorials, webinars, and articles, to help you get started. Finally, always remember to trade responsibly and within your means. Set a budget, diversify your portfolio, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. By following these best practices and using the Moomoo platform effectively, you can achieve your investment goals and become a successful trader.